What's up, guys? This is my bike check. So I'm riding a Mutiny frame, painted black. Start from the top now. King bars in black. These are really nice bars. I didn't cut them. I don't need to. Yeah. Sorry, I'm like out of breath. It's like freezing out. But anyway, ODI long neck grips in black. Had these for about like 5 months now. They're really nice grips, but the black ones don't come with bar end holes, which really sucks, because I'm pretty sure that's why that's there. But it's not on the other one, but I had to cut the holes in them. BSD stem, painted white. Kink integrated headset in red. Salt forks. 2 fit FF tires, tan sidewall, 2.25. 2 shitty front and back rims that I got off my old bike. That I really don't feel like buying new rims, because there's no point, honestly, because there's nothing wrong with them. The back one's a little bit bent, but I mean, it's nothing that's totally, like, it's not gonna end the world. But yeah. So E-Claw seat with you can see that E-Claw. It's nice. With stolen C-clamp. Stolen Thermalite pedals. These are like almost slim. They look slim. These are really nice though. They're a lot skinnier than my twisted pedals, my Odyssey Twisted. Profile cranks with some shitty bottom brackets. Stolen Eternity chain wheel. 25 tooth. And like I said, rim that I got off my old bike. So yeah, I think I covered everything. I'll do a hub sound real quick. Actually, sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. Yeah. So that's my bike. Peace.